protect our children.
Nadia, what's happening?
Y'all slow on your camera.
Can you tell us what's happening?
One of those guys have a dude have a gun.
That's a walking horse, folks.
Oh my God, he's pointing it at us.
Right, that's a Tennessee Walker, special breed of horse.
Who's this crazy Amish man?
And folks, when they do come to the club to rob you, please don't resist. Do what they say, give them what they want. You know, they got guns, bullets, all that good stuff. We got nothing on here.
Nadia,
We even ask you,
Skittle.
please don't keep you always clear so they can't.
Yeah, say no.
And please
Don't give us
do
the
not
Skittle.
reach out to touch the cowboys to go for one of their weapons. Please don't
Besides,
do
I
that.
think I think
And those you folks who do wish to participate,
I can't tell if I'm filming or not.
whatever that is in your hand, you're passing out. You don't want back.
Now I'm
Once
done
it leaves
filming.
your hand, it goes to theirs.